Hi, my name is Jordan, I'm 24 years old and I studied a Bachelor of Science in Computer Networks and Security. The research that I did for my dissertation centred around trust management and vehicle ad hoc networks. It's using sort of trust between two entities kind of thing to say as a security measure, given that mobile networks can't be secured by traditional means or any sort of centralised architecture. So it was based around using that as a developing security measure and sort of the modelling and management of trust to be able to then move forward and put it in testbed environments, etc., etc. Well, the last year of study was research intensive in the sense that a lot of the work that was set out or within the scope of the module content, the assignments were based around exploring specific issues or the issues that the lecturers sort of set out. And if we achieved a good standard or a good grade sort of for that piece of work, we were then pushed to get this forward with further improvements for reputable IEEE conferences or other, even possibly extending to journal papers. And it's quite sort of rare that undergrad students have that opportunity to be able to push. It's kind of like people studying for masters or sort of PhD students who you sort of got to do that as part of your course or part of your work. So the fact that we get that opportunity is brilliant. I was quite fortunate enough to be able to, well, one of 10 people sort of outside Germany to be able to apply for sponsorship to cover the sort of entrance fee for the conference. It's a graduate symposium. It's been held in Germany, which is sort of extending and developing the field of study that I did for my dissertation. It's where sort of the researchers sort of at the very edge of the field or at the forefront, should I say, that that they come in to speak with us, just to keep us up to date on what's happening in the field and sort of what the sort of general direction of where it's headed and what we need to be aware of and sort of what opportunities we can explore within once they've pushed the boundaries and sort of stay ahead of the game, I suppose. It's been a really exciting time and I've enjoyed the challenging aspects of the course and everything that it's offered, sort of wrapped into one. I found it overall a really pleasant and good experience.